Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that give a problem without a solution, which is a stupid channel. Okay, the day we actually want to be happy. So today I am at a game video tutorial using virtual reality. Okay, if so, then let's to go straight to the following video. Let's go. So today I'm going to tell you how to use virtual reality. So I work the VR for all types of smartphone, and the size is right in this VR. Okay, so here I use smartphone for the VR. First, put the smartphone on. Open the Play Store. Then you can look for VR games 316 here. Why do you have game 316? To look like the original. Then here what game do you cost? So here I have download 3D Jetfly Hack VR, and we just have to open it. While waiting for the game, you just open the VR. If the game is already open, it will ever like this, and we just have to fly it. Then select virtual reality, then just fly. We don't have to linger. So here select the route. Then attach your smartphone to the VR like this. Then you can see in this is 3D too. Okay, you tell her if you like this video. Don't forget likes and subscribe.